Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. I've gone MIA for a while because of personal reason, family thing. I had lots of things that I had to deal with, but they are all done and I'm so happy that I could come back to you guys. So there will be new videos every Thursday like before, but if you want another day, let me know because I can consider to change. Anyway, today I'd like to share one of my personal journal that is almost finished. I've been using this notebook since early this year. It is called Collage book. I made a notebook myself. I have a tutorial video how I make notebooks like this with scraps. I'll link it at the top and in the description box below. So if you wanna know how to make a notebook like this, check the tutorial video. It's really easy and quick to make, and you can use up scraps. I love making notebooks like this. We all have quite a amount of scraps. If there's someone who doesn't, please share with me how you manage not to keep a mountain of scraps. I said it's almost finished because I have to write in the blank spaces. I wanted to show you how it looks before they are filled with writing because sometimes it looks very different when you add writing. And knowing how it's different before and after can be helpful to beginners. I got comments that they wanna do journaling, but they don't know where to start or they feel they need lots of pretty store-bought things. But you will see in this notebook, like 80% of what I used is from day-to-day life. So I hope this helps someone who wants not only keeping their ephemera from day-to-day life, but also doing journaling with them. So let me start. This is the inside cover. I glued journaling cards and added some die cuts. This, and this are all from product packages. And even this is from paper pad cover. Usually there's sample images on paper pad cover. I cut them and made most of them tabs. I am writing what I was planning to do in this notebook when I made it. The next page, a business card, a box that I bought at IKEA, and some washi tapes. This was what I made to make a journal, but I made a mistake so I had to cut it out, but it's lovely so I kept it here. And I used Crayola package like a background. This page is quite greeny. This is a craft supply store that was in Lyon but closed last year. I used to go there a lot. It was one of my favorite places. So I kept their wrapping paper, last receipt, and the membership card. The card is stapled, and this is from a catalog, a ticket, die cuts, washi tape at the corner. I'm gonna write here about the clothes store. The next page is simple page that has neutral colors. This is from a shopping bag. It's one of my favorite bakeries. I love their praline brioche. And this is a package connected to the next page, which is also simple. This was sample book when I bought cosmetics and a leftover of crochet. So I'm gonna write about the bakery and about the crochet. This little page is quite cute. It has green deer, a label with gold foil, and a rose gold foiled sharp. I added all the tabs with staples, but on this page I covered the staple with the product photo. I covered the staple with washi tape this time. This page is a little busy. I glued this result paper from Laser Tag as a background, then added the business cards. Little messages I got, some puffy stickers, and a branch I cut out from Daphne's diary. This page has blue, violet, and pink. I love the colors. This is the sticker package you saw in my haul video. Color sample from catalog, membership cards, a photo of fireworks, and journaling card. I ripped a movie ticket and glued here. So I'm gonna journal about art supply stores, fireworks, and the movie. This is a registered letter that was really important to me. Business cards, and I ripped a paperback that was gifted with chocolates for Easter. This is a narrow page I glued a tea bag. They are cheaper die cuts. And this is a sticker package. This is a receipt from Amazon US. Usually I order from Amazon France, but I found some products on Amazon USA that I couldn't find on Amazon France. Plus, luckily, they were shipping to France. Not all the products are shipped to other countries. So I think it was my second purchase from Amazon US. I made a pocket with corner punch package, a card, and these washi tapes are from Yukiko. They are so Japanese style. This is a beautiful image of London in night, and I added color samples that match to the image. Business cards again, and movie tickets. This was the cover of Timekeep manual, Flora die cut, and this was a letter from my friend's daughter, and she drew me. She's so adorable. And here I covered the staple with a die cut. This page is a little bit busy. Years ago, there was an event in a big mart that gives Minion cards. I was kind of collecting them because Minions are so cute. This is one of them. So this background is that. This is a burger restaurant that I really like in Lyon. This is a medicine package. I was gifted flowers and this sticker and ribbon came with it. Cute messages on sticky notes, and this heart is cheaper die cut. A movie ticket, flyer. This is a receipt that I bought a Cricut, and the background was stamp package. I'm not sure. In the last page, there's a cheering journaling card, another sticky note, and this is a part of paper box that had letters set in it, and a library card that I printed. As you saw doing this collage journaling, I used lots of my personal ephemera. I love keeping what I was gifted and business cards. It was quite different style of journaling to my other journalings. It was so fun to do. I'll definitely keep doing it. Actually, I already made the next one. This is Traveler's Notebook Gaia size. I used scraps again to make the cover, but this time I saw them. And it is filled with pattern papers, unlike this one which had only color papers. So I hope you enjoyed the flip through of my collage notebook. I hope this could be helpful to someone. If you want to see the process of this journaling style, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.